Are you having problems with the Facebook Messenger notifications? Well, then you have come to the right video, because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So the first thing we're going to do is to just simply go into our Facebook Messenger, and now when you're on your Facebook Messenger, then what we are going to do first is to click on the three lines in the top left corner. So click on the three lines in the top left corner. And as you can see, we're now taken here. What I need to do in here is to click on the settings wheel. So click on the settings wheel in here. And as you can see, we're now taken here. What I need to do in here is to just scroll down and click where it says notifications and sounds. So click there. And as you can see, if you don't have your notifications enabled on Messenger right here, then you can click where it says turn on notifications. And also, if you want to obviously turn off your notifications, then you just need to click where it says turn off. And then you should be taken to your settings app in here, as you can see. So what you need to do in here is to click where it says notifications, as you can see, and then basically click on allow notifications. Or if you want to disable the notification, then click here again. And as you can see, the notifications will be gone for the Facebook Messenger. So basically, this is exactly how to fix Facebook Messenger notifications not working. So basically, let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also, please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.